Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to combine multiple pictures in Photopea. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Photopea software and create a project and open your multiple image. We can see here many image. Now I am select the all image. Go to the layer option, then select the first layer, then press and hold the shift, then select the all layer, then click right button and click this merge layer option. Now we can see we merge multiple picture or combine this easily. You can resize this at once, otherwise move at once. We can see the all layer make it one layer. Now we can see we combine or merge multiple image into one very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.